This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn describing on or error GOTO statement with examples. On error GOTO statement enables error trapping feature of GW basic and specify the first line of error handling routine. The on error GOTO statement suppresses error message as soon as an error occurs. It transfers control to the line number specified, whereas on error GOTO owner of statement no longer suppresses error message. The syntax is on error GOTO line number once error trapping has been enabled. All errors detected by GW basic, including direct mode errors, cause GW basic to branch to the line number in the program that begins the specified error handling subroutine. GW basic branches to the line specified by the on error statement until a resume statement is found. If line number does not exist, an undefined line error results. To disable error trapping, execute the following statement: So for disabling the error trapping, we will type on error go to 0. Subsequent errors, print an error message and halt execution if an error occurs during execution of an error handling subroutine. The GW basic error message is printed and execution terminated. Error trapping does not occur within the error handling subroutine. The error number is stored in the variable ERR. The line number at which the error occurred is stored in the variable ERL. So we are now going to type a program and we'll show the output by using the IDE of GW Basic. So we will switch to the IDE. I will show you the output. So first we will type a program number 1 and then we'll show you the output of it. So here we are, viewers. So first we will type the line number 10 and type A is equal to 0. At line number 20 we'll type B is equal to 30 divided by A. At line number 30 we will type print B. Line number 40 we'll type end. First we'll press the F4 key to save this program. We'll type on error 2.bas and then load it. Press F3 key and again type on er2.bas, then press the F2 key to run this program. So division by 0 error can be seen on the output. So this is how it is. You can have the division by 0 error because you can see that we have assigned 0 to A, and when by dividing the value 30 by 0 it is stored in B, and we try to get the output by displaying the value of B on the screen. Then it gives us the division by 0 error on the screen. So if we press and type and one more program line number 10 we will type on error go to, and then type line number 20 we will type A is equal to 0. Line number 30 we will type B is equal to 23 divided by A. Line number 40 we will type print B. Line 50 we are typing print you cannot divide any number by 0. And at line number 60 we will type END and line number 70 we'll type print error code equal to double quotes semicolon ERR. Line number 80 will type print occurs at line ERL. Line number 90 we will type go to 60. Save this program, type on error 3.bas. Load this program by pressing the F3 key, type on err 3.bas, then press the F2 key. So you can see that we have a syntax error at line number 10. So we have to define the line number. We have to press the we have to mention over here, so we will type edit and we'll type 10 and we'll press on error go to 50 and then save this program on err 3.bas. Load this program on err 3.bas and I'm going to run this program. So you can see that we can see the message you cannot divide any number by 0. So since you can see that in this program, if you see, we will list this program and see the code, so you can see that we are again assigned 0 to a, so a 0 stored in the variable a, and then again try to divide the value 23 by a, so 0 stored in a, it means the 23 is going to be divided by 0. So we again, so this whole process is stored in the variable b, and when we try to print and show the value of b on the screen, then the error message you cannot divide any number by 0 message appears on the screen. So it means that when we fields and finds the on error go to 50, and if you want to show this to the line number 70, we can always do it and type edit on error go to 70. So we'll list it and we'll edit 710 and we can give the value 70 because we want to show the error code. Now we're going to show this, so we will first save this program and type on err.3.bas. We will load this program and type on err3.bas. Now we will run this pressing the F2 key. So viewers, now you can see that we can see the error code 11 occurs at line number 30. It means that line number 30 has the error, which means that the 23 cannot be divided by 0. This is how it is done, and we can see the error on the screen. So that's all for today. We have learned 2 different programs and also discussed the output of it by using the on error go to statement. Thanks for watching.